serving up the champagne. Pop. It's my house, come on, turn it up.
Hey, I might take off on you peons and go way to Venus. I'm a star, so I put a neutron on my pinky. I'm walking, but my Christian.
Alright, what's up, y'all? I am back with another video. I wanted to show y'all real quick. This is gonna be a real quick video. Cause girl, I got some $4 foundation. $4 foundation, and it is the LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation, long wearing high pigment foundation, and I'm in the color cappuccino. So yeah, I came across this makeup, girl, at Dollar General. Yes, Dollar General. And I was like, girl, let me just give this a try because I wanted some more. I ran across this and I was like, man, it's the perfect color, so I wanted to try it out, baby. But when I did, I'm finna show y'all. Girl, let me show you. Let me come closer to my face. Hold on. Okay, y'all already know I have like acne scarring and all that on my face. My face may look a little like ashy or whatever right now, but it's because I got my primer on and I use the Rimmel London Stay Matte primer, and you know, make your face a little ashy or whatever, so you put your foundation on. But anyway, girl, back to this $4 foundation. It is so freaking full coverage. It's like amazing for real. So anyway, let me show you right quick. Girl, let me get up. Let me get up close. Okay. Now it's cheap, so the pump don't be working all the time. So like, you know, when I pump, don't nothing come out. So we about to just twist this baby open like this here, and we're just gonna put it on there. And a little bit does go a long way, but y'all know I have these acne scarring and I want all them babies covered up, so I'm gonna go a little heavy. So anyway, got this on my face right here, and I'm finna blend it out. Now watch it disappear. Watch all these spots disappear.
Walking, but my Christian Louboutin bleeding. I'm smoking more rock, shawty, and I feel the ceiling. I might take off on you peons and go way to Venus. I'm a star, so I put a neutron on my pinky. I'm walking.
Okay, you always want to make sure you blend down to your neck, okay? That's not cute when you got that line separating your damn jaw from your neck. That's not cute. Girl, look at that. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, this is my face. And then this is my face after one coat. So anywho, I'm gonna add some more. You see this before? And then we're gonna pop this baby on here. Spread it out a little bit. You know, so you can spread it around. And when I say the color match is like perfect, the color match is really good. And then we're just about to blend this out, girl. Now it does dry and like mattify pretty quickly, so you do need to work fast so it don't dry on you, because once it dry on you, now it's gonna be hard for you to move it around and you might look patchy. You don't want to look patchy.
Yeah, you can snooze if you wanna, but not on me, baby. And no, I ain't taking no loss. Yeah, I got heat, baby. No, I don't know nothing about those. No, I don't sleep, baby. You niggas ain't guessing me, nigga. Yeah, I'm on E, baby. Got all designer on me. That's on me, baby. Yeah, that's on me, baby. That's on me.
So that's it. Like, y'all, my foundation. So again, LA Colors. Okay, this is $4 foundation, girls. It's cheap. When you can get a full coverage face for $4, then baby, that's what we gonna do. Okay. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight and everything so y'all can see, and then we just gonna get on up out of here. So what I'm using is the Maybelline Age Rewind. I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. This is in the color tan. So just to chat right quick, y'all. I haven't, you know, I came and I started my channel or whatever. And then it's been like 3 weeks, I want to say. 3 weeks or so since I made a video. But girl, y'all know I have kids. And, I have 5 kids in case y'all don't know. 5, girl. Yes. Pray for me. Pray for me. But anyway, so once the summer, you know, school had got out and everything, and once the summer start, girl, and these kids be home, you know, kids just stay all in your face, and you be like, go sit down somewhere. They stay in your face, and it's hard to make a video. And then my youngest baby is 2 years old, y'all know. So anyway, it's hard to make a video once these kids got out of school, girl. So I'm gonna do the best I can, and then when school starts back, praise Jesus, when school starts back in August, okay, then I'm gonna be back on it. You know what I'm saying? But it is difficult to make videos when these kids is out of school for the summer, because you never have a long time. Anyway, so I'm finna blend out this concealer real quick, this highlight. And I like the color tan because it's not too light. To me, it's just right for like a little highlight or whatever. Girl, yeah, I used to watch YouTube videos and be like, they ain't made a video in 2 weeks. You know, they not dedicated. But until I started making videos, it's like legit, like hard. Like, when you got 5 kids like me, I'm sorry, but I got an excuse. That's just how I feel. It's just hard. Y'all know how it is when y'all have kids, so I know y'all understand. So yeah. And this concealer blends out so good, y'all. It ain't gonna be patchy. It's not stiff and hard to move around like some concealers are. It's just nice.
Yeah, I got heat, baby. No, I don't know nothing about those. No, I don't sleep, baby. You niggas ain't guessing me, nigga. Yeah, I'm on E, baby. Got all designer on me. That's on me, baby. Yeah.
Now you might be thinking, $4 foundation, you know, it's not gonna stay on all day long. Now let me tell you from my experience, y'all. From my experience with this $4 foundation, no, baby, it's not Estee Lauder. It's not going to stay on your face all day long and not sweat off. That's just not realistic, okay? However, it's all about how you set your face. So I'm going to show you guys how I set my face real quick. Because if you set your face the correct way, you know, it'll last longer. Is it going to last 8, 12 hours? I don't know about that. Oh, look at all that glitter on my face. I ain't gonna cut that out either. Y'all gonna see the real. People be messing up when they do their makeup. Baby, I'll just be glittery today. Hell, it's the 4th of July. Anyway, Sasha Buttercup. I've tried to just use the, look, I'm getting this all in my hair. I've tried to just use the Laura Mercier setting powder, like by itself. And to me, it makes me look ashy and gray. So what I do is, I'm going to come with this Sasha Buttercup. And then I'm going to put the Laura Mercier on top of it. Right underneath my eye. And that's what works the best for me, you guys.
Got on my knee like Jesus, please. He don't even believe in Jesus. Why you got a Jesus, please?
So with the Sasha Buttercup, I'm just gonna set my highlighted areas, y'all. That's all. Just gonna set my highlighted areas. Alright, now I'm finna go in with the Laura Mercier, like I told y'all. And I'm gonna set like right under my eyes, right here.
I'm rolling on the beam. They tried to give me 8, got on my knee like Jesus, please. He don't even believe in Jesus. Why you got a Jesus piece? If you wanna leave, just leave. But you ain't gotta lie to me. Even the blind can see, but you ain't gonna rap.
Okay, so that's my highlighted area set. So now I'm just gonna go in with my regular old L'Oreal True Match. I'm in the color N7.
Couldn't believe it, hello shorty, on my road, box up a Nokia poke, and yo, hit it from the back, that'll be a minute, said that I knocked her period on. Mama when I had that poker, still looking on my shoulder, bustin' with a nigga, no Yoda, that mean a young nigga got wool on me.
You the one for me, baby, you ain't got shit I need, bitch. You want me to take my time with you, or maybe I'm not your speed, bitch. Maybe I'm not your lead, bitch.
Let me see if I can brush some of this damn glitter off of there that I done, I need a new glitter, like eyeshadow glitter base, because girl, if all that glitter gonna be falling off like that, then what's the point?
Why you got a Jesus piece? If you wanna leave, just leave. But you ain't gotta lie to me. Even the blind can see, but you ain't gonna ride for me. You ain't even showing me the love you say you got for me. There ain't no loyalty, you lie to me.
Okay, and then we just gonna, you blend that out. See, that's light right there, and then you want to go into your skin tone, so you go kind of in the middle, so you can just blend that out, you know what I'm saying? So you don't have no harsh line that go from the light powder to the dark powder or whatever. You don't want that. That's not cute. And that glitter's still on my forehead, but it's gonna have to do. If anybody asks, I'm gonna tell them I did it on purpose. Yeah, baby. It's supposed to be glittery. Okay, so that's the powder. I'm gonna go in with some contour. I'm gonna contour so I can add some, you know, depth back into my face. And then I'm gonna do my lips or whatever. And I'm just gonna come back and show y'all the finished look. But the main point of this video was to show y'all this LA Colors foundation. It is $4. Girls, go get you some or whatever. Now I will say, girl, y'all better make sure y'all wash this off y'all face real good, because for my type of skin, if I leave it on all day or whatever and then be sitting around and not washing my face right away, I will break out. Okay, so if you have that type of skin, baby, you better not fall asleep in this makeup. I'm telling y'all, they got some makeups where, cause we've all done it, we've all fell asleep in our makeup before. You don't want to fall asleep in this, okay? So anyway, y'all, thanks for checking out another video, and I'm gonna be back and show y'all the finished look after I do my whole face. And yeah, okay, y'all, here is the final look of my makeup for today. I'm not really doing nothing today, the 4th of July, y'all, so I did want to look, you know, cute and everything, but I'm not really going nowhere, because girl, me and my husband done started this diet, so we can't go nowhere and eat. So we just gonna stay in, okay, and eat our healthy food together. So but this is my finished look. I decided to go with like a purplish blue look just because I felt a little spicy, okay? Sometimes you feel spicy, okay? So anyway, this is it, y'all. This is that $4 foundation. Again, go check it out. And yeah, man, I'll holler at y'all next time. So, bye. Happy 4th of July.